సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
Students, now we are going to discuss the current voltage characteristics. Current voltage characteristics means current is the I, voltage is the V. So this is the IV characteristics. Current is the I, voltage is the V. IV characteristics of UJT. UJT means uni junction transistor. So current voltage characteristics of UJT. Before this let us discuss the working of UJT, working or operation of UJT. Now we have to discuss the working and operation of unijunction transistor, UJT, unijunction transistor. Okay, the basic circuit operation is UJT is the this diagram indicates the basic circuit operation of UJT. Okay, the device has normally B2 is positive with respect to B1. Okay, this device has normally B2 base 2 is positive with respect to B1. So this is the positive. Okay, next of all, if voltage base voltage, if voltage base voltage, this base voltage is denotes VBB or two bases or VB. Okay, if voltage of base is applied between B1 and B2 and emitter open, this emitter open, so here one condition, if emitter open, the voltage is applied between B1 and B2, that voltage is V suffix BB. Okay, then after the voltage drop is established, the voltage drop is established because here emitter is open, so the voltage drop is established. Okay, the voltage drop is established along N type of bar. This is the N type of bar. So along N type of bar, since the emitter is closer to B2. Okay, as you understand, the emitter is closer to B2. What is the reason? If voltage, the base voltage is applied between B1 and B2, then emitter open. So after this condition, the voltage drop is established. Okay, after this condition, the voltage drop is established in N type bar. So since the emitter is closer to B2. Okay, second condition, what is the condition? The voltage V1 developed across emitter and base B1. This is the voltage. This voltage is denoted as V1. Okay, the voltage V1 is developed across emitter and base 1. This voltage V1 makes a reverse bias, on the PN junction. So this is the P, this is the N. Okay, this is the P, this is the N. The voltage V1 developed across emitter and base 1. This voltage V1 makes a reverse bias on the PN junction. So this is the positive terminal, so this is the negative terminal. So this is the negative terminal, positive terminal, negative terminal, positive terminal. Okay, just like prediction. Okay, this voltage V1 makes a reverse bias on the PN junction. So small leakage current flows the emitter. Okay, so in reverse bias, so small leakage current flows to emitter, flows to emitter. Okay, current flows to emitter. If positive voltage applied at the emitter, if positive voltage is applied at the emitter, the PN junction will remain in reverse bias. The PN junction is remains in reverse bias. So as emitter voltage is less than V1, the emitter voltage is, so this is the emitter voltage. So the emitter voltage is less than V1 because this condition V1 is greater than VE. Okay, if positive voltage is applied at the emitter, the PN junction will remain in reverse bias. So the emitter voltage is less than V1. So this is the less than V1. Okay, here V1 is intrinsic stand-off voltage. If V1 is intrinsic stand-off voltage, so this voltage V1 equals to eta into base voltage, eta into base voltage. Okay, eta equals V1 equals to eta into base voltage. Okay, next condition, the input voltage, this is the input voltage, the input voltage to the emitter, the input voltage to the emitter exceeds V1 because exceeds V1, that means voltage emitter is greater than V1. Emitter voltage is greater than V1. So the PN junction becomes forward bias. The PN junction becomes forward bias. So the forward bias is this is the P type of material. P type of material is connected to positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay, so this is the forward bias. So always B2 is the positive. Okay, so this is the total circuit diagram. If the input voltage VEE to the emitter exceeds V1, so the emitter voltage is greater than V1, the PN junction becomes forward bias. Under these conditions, total conditions, holes are injected from p-type material towards B1. Injected from p-type material towards base 1. Due to this reason, decrease in resistance. Due to this reason, the resistance is decreased and emitter current IE, is increases because the resistance is decreases, current is increases. The resistance is decreases, the current is increases. So then the device is known in the on state, because resistance decreases, current increases. So this state, what is the state? Resistance decreases, current increases. So this state, on state device, this state is called as on state device. Okay, next of all, due to increase in the emitter current, so emitter current is increases in the previous point, due to emitter current is increases, a decrease in the resistance which is known as negative resistance. Okay, because what is the vice versa, here the resistance is decreases, current is increases. Due to increase the current, decrease in the resistance, that resistance is known as negative resistance. So the characteristics of negative resistance is called as characteristics of UJT. Next we will discuss the next topic. So here the resistance is decreases, the power is increases. So the power is increased, the resistance is decreases. This resistance is known as negative resistance. Okay, if the negative voltage is applied in the previous point, here positive voltage is applied. If the negative voltage is applied to the emitter current, PN junction is in reverse. PN junction is in reverse means, so this is the P type of material, this is the minus plus. In the condition of the negative voltage is applied to emitter, PN junction is in reverse. So the total emitter current becomes 0. In reverse condition. So this is the cutoff state. When current is 0, that is state of cutoff state. So this device is said to be off state. Okay, in the positive voltage is applied on state, the negative voltage is applied off state. This is also cutoff state. Using these levels, we draw the graph with current and voltage. The graph show the curve between emitter voltage and emitter current. That is the characteristics of IV characteristics of UJT. So what are characteristics means? The graph between current and voltage. So now we draw the graph between emitter current and emitter voltage. First of all, we draw the graph. So the emitter current taking on x-axis. Okay, this is the emitter current I suffix E. So this is the emitter voltage V suffix E. Okay, so we have to ready to draw the graph. First of all, initially in the cutoff region as IE, IE means emitter voltage increases below 0. This is the 0. Below 0, slightly leakage current flows from emitter to base 2. So first of all, this is the emitter, this is the B2, this is the B1. Okay, so first of all, emitter voltage increases below 0. So this is the 0, below 0, slightly leakage current flows. So this is the characteristics curve. This is the characteristics curve. So first of all, initially this is the cutoff region. This is the cutoff region. Cutoff region. Okay. Initially, in the state of cutoff region, as emitter voltage increases, emitter voltage increases below zero, slightly leakage current flows from emitter to base. So this is the emitter position, this is the base position. So slightly leakage current flows from emitter to base. This is the leakage current. This is the leakage current. Totally this is the cutoff region. So first of all, initially in the cutoff region, as voltage, emitter voltage increases below zero, slightly leakage current flows emitter to base B2. Okay, due to minority carriers in reverse bias diode, minority charge carriers in reverse bias diode, because so this is the emitter, this is the p type of semiconductor. Totally in the inner region is the n. This is the p type of semiconductor. This p type of semiconductor is connected to negative terminal of the battery. So because due to minority charge carriers in reverse bias diode, so in reverse bias diode, so the positives are travels from this, negatives from travels this direction. So these two are attractive, these two are attractive. So first of all, in the so in the curve, so in the diagram, this curve between emitter current and emitter voltage, so this curve is the this curve gives the characteristics of UJT. So this is also known as emitter characteristics. This is also known as emitter characteristics of UJT. First point is the, what is the first point? Initially in the cutoff region, as emitter voltage increases below zero, slightly leakage current flows from emitter to base B2 due to the minority carriers in reverse bias diode. So this is the cutoff region. Totally this is the cutoff region. So leakage current flows, generally the leakage current flows emitter to base due to minority carriers in reverse bias diode. Okay, second one, when VE is slightly greater than V1, V1. So this is the V1, this is the emitter, this is the B2, this is the B1. So this is the V1. Okay, when VE means emitter voltage, is slightly greater than V1, forward current IE begins to flow and increasing up to peak value. So this current is known as IP, IP means peak current. Okay, do you understand? So once again, when VE is slightly greater than, this is the so first of all this is the V1, this is the V1. When VE emitter voltage is slightly greater than V1, then forward current, this is the forward current. So current is starts from this, the forward current begins to flow begins to flow and increasing this state to this state. What is the difference? Increasing and flow up to peak value. So up to peak value, this is the peak value, this is the P, this is the VP means peak voltage, this is the peak current, this is the peak current. Our second point is that when VE is slightly greater than V1, forward current IE begins to flow and increasing up to peak value VP, and the current IP is called peak current. So this is the peak current. Okay, next, after peak current, after peak point, this is the peak point, after peak point VE, that means emitter voltage suddenly drops. This is the suddenly drops a low value. So this is the low value, and this is the low value, and increasing in emitter current, so this current is increasing, so our third point is, after peak point emitter voltage suddenly drops to a low value, this is the low value, and increasing in emitter current IE. This is called so this state is called negative resistance region. What means negative resistance region? Negative resistance region means after peak point emitter voltage suddenly drops to a low value and increasing in emitter current. This is called negative resistance region. This is the negative resistance region. Since an increasing IE, the voltage DE decreases. So this is the VE decreases, that means drops, and power is increasing. Okay, up to power is increase, power means current is increasing up to valley voltage means V suffix V, valley voltage. Okay, this is the our third point of characteristics. Next one, increasing VE voltage after the valley voltage. Okay, increasing VE voltage after the valley point of, this is the valley point, the device enters into the saturation region. So this is the valley voltage. So this point to this point is the negative resistance of region. After negative resistance region, the valley point, this is the valley point, device enters into the saturation region. So this is the saturation region, Okay, increasing of emitter voltage after the valley point, the device enters into saturation region. So the curve between totally the curve between VP means peak voltage. VP means peak voltage or peak value. So the curve between peak value and valley voltage is a measure of switching efficiency of UJT. Okay, switching efficiency of UJT. What is the curve between VP and VB is a measure of switching efficiency of UJT. So once again, this is the cutoff region, this is the cutoff region, this is the leakage voltage, this is the leakage current, this is the leakage current, this is the peak value, this is the negative resistance of region, negative resistance of region, this is the saturation region, this is the saturation region. So totally these are characteristics of UJT.